This is Apple Card, a credit card created by Apple, not a bank. So it's simple, transparent, and private. And it's the only credit card designed to take advantage of the power of iPhone. It works with Apple Pay, so buying something is as easy as...
A little weird. Hello? I hope everyone's staying home and staying safe, but I am so excited to show you guys this. This just came in the mail. Let me open it up and show you guys. Trusty pen. Why do I need a pen for it's a paper envelope? You gotta use your brain sometimes, guys. Just throw that. Oh yeah, it's an express mail. UPS. Comes in this little, I feel like other people got better stuff. I'd be really salty if this wasn't my Apple Card.
Got it!
A few inches later.
Oh, that's another rippy thingy right here. Ooh, is something white. Let's pull out. Yes, it is. Yes. Focus. Focus. Yes. Does it open this way? I'm so confused. Okay. Wow. Yes, this is my Apple Card. Before I activate this, let's talk about a few things it does. So, I actually have 2 credit cards already. My first ones that I ever got on my birthday, I signed up October 1st. It was the Discover card. So my first ever credit card was from Discover, and I got it when I was 18. As soon as I turned 18, I applied for one, and I got approved for, I think it was 300, or no, it was 500. Was it? It was 500. And it was great because every time I would swipe it, I'd get 1% back on everything, and then they would match the 1% at the end of the year, which I haven't used it for a year yet. I've used it for like 6 months. But also has like quarterly 5% back. So like 1/4 of the year it'd be like transportation, Uber, Lyft, stuff like that. And then the next quarter it could be like Target, Walmart. And then my second card I got was from Capital One. I applied for the MasterCard, and I got approved for that about 2-3 months ago. I got like 300 from that. Yeah, 300. So my total credit line was 800. And then I kept that for like 2 months. So then my credit was pretty good. And then over time, at like 6 months period, then I applied for the Apple Card. Got approved for this baby. And actually got 3,000 as my credit line, which was actually more than I was expecting. But there are a few secrets to applying to credit cards that a lot of people don't know about. I am 18. I like to collect credit cards, so I'm racking them up as much as I can. Enough about me, let's get into the Apple Card, because that's why you guys are watching. So Apple Card comes back. The Apple Card gets you back 1% on all purchases using the card and purchase online. And then if you use Apple Pay, so yeah, it connects with your phone, your iPhone. It's in your wallet. So every time you use Apple Pay, it's going to give you 2% back, and it gives you 2% back each time you use it. You'll be able to spend it right away. It'll be in your wallet. And then once you buy an Apple product, it's like 5% back. Is it 5% back? Let me check.
Let's talk about rewards. You should get them today, not a month from today. That's why Apple Card gives you daily cash with every purchase. It goes straight to your Apple Cash card, so you can spend it, just like cash. No points, no, how do I redeem this again?
Actually, how am I gonna do this? I'll show you guys. Boop, boop, boop. Is it working yet? Boop. Oh, ooh, it's metal. It's titanium. Ooh, it's kind of heavy. Jesus Christ! Look how thick this is. This is really heavy. This is my heaviest credit card. Ooh. We can try to activate it right now. It's boop, boop, boop. Maybe my phone's not high tech enough. Okay, we're just gonna we're gonna activate card. Dude, it has my name on the picture. That's so cool. Hold the phone near the packaging. Oh, it's on the packaging, so we're gonna need it. Yeah, it worked. Activate card. I'm so stupid. Your card is ready. Thank you very much. All right. Your card, when you first get it in your wallet, it'll be white, and then once you start using it, it'll be the color of the thing you bought. So like what I bought something that was like $744, and the purple color reflects that what I bought. So it can be any color, for real, for real. Let me see if I can show you guys a little better. That's so sick. Oh my God. Look at this beauty. Okay, I'm gonna go get my other credit cards real quick. Okay, my Discover card was the coolest card in my wallet until this bad boy came along. I don't even, dude, what? Is there something metal I can clash this against? Bing. Dude, I hope I didn't chip it. It's all white, so I'm kind of worried. So, like, something I'm worried about is if this is gonna like scrape. If like, what if someone takes this and like draw stuff on it? Like, they're gonna draw a penis on it. I always pay my credit off on time. This is my first video about a credit card, so I'll give you a little background about me. I always pay my credit card off full amount at the end of the month. So all 3 credit cards will be paid off each month in full. Something about the Apple Card is they actually are very transparent, and they'll show you in a circle the interest rate if you pay the minimum amount to the full amount. So they'll encourage you to pay the full amount instead of like the minimum amount and then, or whatever amount in between the minimum and the maximum, and charge interest. So why I chose these 3 credit cards was because Discover is really friendly to the younger demographic, so 18, 19, 20 college students, you'll be easily accepted. And then for my second card, Capital One, I actually had an okay credit, so they just accepted me and gave me 300. So that was cool. I'm just racking up my collection. Dude, I have a Yu-Gi-Oh collection. Like, I still have my Yu-Gi-Oh cards from middle school. I'm 18. No cap. Like, I was that kid with the binder and like cards inside of it, and I'll be selling it. Yeah, besides that, hopefully by the time I'm like 25, I'll have like 50 cards. No, I'm just kidding. Hopefully I'll have like 10 cards maybe. It smells like luxury. Let's see how it'll look in my wallet. Dude, does it even... Oh, there's my SEPTA key card, guys. Yeah, that's not luxury. So this is how you know I'm not rich. Like I use SEPTA, okay? Okay? I use TransPass for my high school, okay? Let's put this here. This, here, top. Dude, I don't even think I have enough space. Okay, alright. I actually don't. I'll just edit that out.